Good afternoon for Python data science, and today we will see a new library of Python called Seaborn. So first, to start, Colab notebook colab.research.google.com and click on new notebook. Then I will give the heading lesson 22 Seaborn, and we will see how we can work with this package Seaborn. So to import the package in Python, we will write import Seaborn. Once the package is imported, we will also need certain other libraries like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib.pyplot. These are popular libraries of Python. Pandas we have already seen, numpy we have also seen, and matplotlib is related with plotting and visualization. We will see matplotlib in the coming videos. With this, we can start and load our first dataset. So to do that, we write seaborn load dataset, and we will write tips, and here I will display my dataset. So there is total bill, there is the tip, there is the sex or gender, there is the smoker, which means yes or no, the day in which the person is coming to visit, the time, which is lunch, dinner, and then the size of the family that has come. So we can plot the relationship. So first let us have a relationship plot between the data. So the data is named tips. X will be my total bill and Y will be my tip. So there is there a relationship between total bill and tip? This is what we have got. We have got that as there is a upward trend in the curve. Here we have total bill on X and tip on the Y axis, and it seems like there is a relationship between the total bill and tip. The relationship is as total bill increases, the tip also increases. One more thing we can do is, let us say that there is a smoker and non-smoker, two categories of visitors. So I will have my hue attribute. This will show that orange will be non-smokers and blue will be the smokers. In general, the data is mixed, although here we have there is a smoker who is at a highest point, but I don't think there is any trend here between smoker and non-smokers. Other than that, what we can also do is we can have a different style depending on the category. For that, we can have a style here, and we can have it as smoker. So based on the column smoker, so here we have the dot as the smokers and cross as the non-smokers. It is better for visualizing, otherwise there is no difference here. Another thing you can do is, instead of keeping the same style, we can change the style and use another column. For example, time. So now we have lunch and dinner, the two times. So this is the smoker and dinner, that is why it is blue and cross. So usually dinner is getting more bigger bills and bigger tips, but yes, there is even smaller amounts present, smaller and smaller. In general, there is a trend between total bill and tip. So that was the relation plot. Although many more things can be done, one more thing we can show you very useful here is the size. So let us say that I can increase the size with using the column size here. So the size of the family. So this was the size, how you can set the size. So based on that you will get the data points in different sizes. Size is the family size. So larger the family size, larger is the bill. Smaller the family size, smaller is the bill. So that is something that you can trace also. Other plots are for continuous data. So let us load another data set commonly seen in continuous data. This is about the stock market. So the stock market is, so we are loading the data set like this, load data set. The name is Dow Jones. Once the data set is downloaded, we can display it here. So there is date wise price. Now using the Seaborn library and same relation plot function, I will plot the relationship in this Dow Jones dataset. X will be my date and Y will be my price. Then with X and Y decided, I will say that my line is a continuous function for plotting. So this is the date and it shows how the Dow Jones price has changed over time. This is one kind of line plot. Then even other kinds of line plots are possible in this. Let us say we are using another kind of data set. So I am copying this, but the name of the data set is different. fMRI data set. So sorry, fMRI, and here also fMRI. Let us see, in this data set we have subject, time point, event, region and signal. So again with the use of Seaborn relation plot, we can set the data set as fMRI. X will be time point and Y is signal and kind is line. So this is giving you the standard deviation also, mean and standard deviation of the data with respect to the time. What is the signal? How is the signal changing? If you don't want to see such kind of range, then also you can modify this plot and set one argument which is error bar to none. Then you will simply get the normal plot. So this is a very useful plot, the line or the relation plot. Several useful things can be done in it. Continuous data, scatter plots, multiple possibilities are there, and this kind of visualization gives you an idea about how you can understand or visualize the relationship between your data. So thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing on other data sets and see you in the next class.